Hello folks, good morning. It's a beautiful Tuesday morning, and today you can just imagine where I am, standing at a marketplace, a lot of trucks around. And today I want to tell you something about these trucks. In fact, precisely I'm standing at the yam market where I brought my last video talked about the yam market, and today we want to talk about how to transport these yams to all parts of the country. So join me in trying to get to know more about how these yam products can get to your country. So let's get to know more about it. Let's get to know more about it. Okay, these are the trucks that load yams to most parts of the country, and no matter where you want your products sent to, all these trucks around here help to transport these products to your place. So to think about transportation, you don't have a challenge. So I want to talk to one of the owners of the trucks. Good morning, my brother. I am where you mean coming how me kind of trim. Mr. Me video fa mo buyer edrom nyama ho. You see, I person bisa say mo buyer no mo person mo amount for better wa ha no. Say if na amount for free better na mo ye dan mo de nyama no kwa if ani fan na mo de nyama ko.
Yeah, the man especially the main market movements now mo ba maye. Food ya. Omuna ekete ya maye.
Okay.
Eno omo so no omo adwaye no na be eji eni.
Okay.
Enu akire no this is free kede asamen suhun ene sawa omo so na esakita station maye. Aka for no dey say dey omo ina no omo papa omo say na ye too much say. Metro SAS station we are many people. And a man is a boy and a man MC.
Okay. What he's just saying is that they have customers coming from all over the country, Swedro, Kede, Oda, and the rest. But people from Kofodia really come here and they buy a lot of products. When they buy this yam, they send all this yam produce to them and transport it to them. So that is what he's saying in the local dialect. But you what you ask.
Yes, I know. You see, I know. I say, your name, change of but I don't know. I have any efforts as a mono, but so far you can see the as far I ever boy. Lay Gano as I didn't in so must for but because of that issue, I may see a break so I'm not telling now.
So they have enough produce, and when they come, people come to buy the things from here, and even sometimes the produce are too much that they don't have enough space to even carry their goods, so they go and come back. People from Kumasi and all over come here to come and purchase their yam. So please, they are inviting all of you to come, help, and let's build this market. Wherever your produce are going, they are ready to transport them for you. Thank you. So all the trucks you see here are about to start the loading of the yam to the various parts of the country. So you can see all the leaves that these trees are covered here. It's yam that has been covered. It's yam that has been covered, ready to be transported to other parts of the country. And these are the trucks. You see all this place, it's yam all over. The trucks are here are ready to transport your goods. So in terms of where to get your transportation, to transport your goods to, you don't have a challenge. So we are inviting you guys, come around, just come and get your produce bought, and we will transport it to any part of the country that you want it. No matter the quantity of products you are buying, we are ready to transport it to any. Let's get to a track where they are loading some of the yam. So we have spoken to one of the owners. We will get to another owner and talk to them. These are the yams they are transporting. They are loading the produce They're loading them to different places, and we can see how they are arranging the yams. They are just arranging them in orderly manner, and no matter what, another producer also here, they are loading them. So if you want your goods to be transported to any part of the country, when you come here to buy, you don't have a challenge. It will be sent there for you. It will be sent there for you. It will be sent there for you. We are moving to talk to another car owner. We are moving to another end where the trucks are also loading. We talk to another person. I know much about the business here. You can see how the boys are loading the goods. You can see them, the yams are being loaded onto this big truck. And no matter where you are from, when you come here to buy your produce, it will be sent to any place for you. It will be sent to any place for you. To be sent for you, so you can see how they are loading the produce. Wow, beautifully. Folks, they are loading the yams, and this is how they do the loading. They stand at vantage point and they start to carry the tubers in pair. As they carry it, then they throw it to the next person, to the next person, to the truck, and they arrange it on the tracks. They arrange all of them on the track. Yes, and that is what goes on. So, folks, I want to encourage you to come to us. Any place you are in the country, yours is to just try and locate us and locate this marketplace. It is in the Oti Region, precisely dambai, and you get your yams. After getting your yams, wherever you want it transported to, it will be transported to. The road network is quite very good, so you don't have a challenge. We'll transport all your goods to your destination for you. Thank you for joining me. Remember to subscribe and share this link to other people. Thanks.